guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, I am right behind a bunch of snow. I just want to show you guys all the snow that has fallen in where I live in Boulder. So just come with me. We're gonna measure it. Okay, so right here. Let's measure right here. So here is 1.5 feet. 1.5 feet. If it's the same right there, then it's the same here. Ooh, it's 1 inch higher right here. Exactly where I put it right here. 1 inch higher. This whole entire thing, let's check. It's 2 feet. Right here, but let's check over here on this side. So right here, see? Right here, exactly right here is 1 foot and 1 foot and 6 inches. Right here. And we even might start making an igloo also. Yeah, it might be hard, but the snow here is around really hard, so not really hard, but it's hard, so it's gonna be a little bit hard. So for it can handle people inside it instead of falling. Right here, it's 2 feet. Exactly, right here. And this is our big, huge tower. It's around, let me check. It's around 4 feet. 4 feet and 4 feet and 4 inches tall, right here. We made this big, huge, giant pile. And it's 4 feet and 4 inches. Okay, let's keep going. Measure it. This one is 4 feet and 6 inches. No, wait. 7 inches. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and how high this pile of snow is, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!